Hey, let me show you how you can fix that problem with the gaming services on the Forza Horizon 6. So, first of all, you have to go for your taskbar, go for your GPU application, and simply make sure that you are using the latest one. And if the problem still appears, you can even try to reinstall them by using this dedicated button. So, by the way, you have to also search for gaming services. You have to input that phrase. And if not available here, you have to go for your library in the left bottom corner. So instead of using this search bar, you have to actually go here for gaming phrase. And take a look here. Just click on the update button. Now, just wait for this downloading process. So now when it's installed, you have to also go for the Xbox application. And you have to also check if you've got the latest version. As you can see, for me, I've got paused downloading, so I have to just download this one more time. If you still cannot find it here, you have to go for your library in the left bottom corner and input the Xbox phrase over here, and just make sure that you are going to get this latest version. So right now, let's just simply check if the Forza Horizon 6 is going to work right now.